So hello friends, here is another hiring opportunity of Enverus company for the position trainee Q&A engineer. The job location is Bangalore, India, and then you can see the description of this job. First section is why you want this position. It consists of how the company work in the industry, what the students company looking for. Then you can see the performance objectives, mean the roles and responsibilities for this job role. So if you got selected, then you have to work on majorly working on manual testing. Then you have to work on execution of test and many of programs and the reporting bugs. And then you have to maintain the test cases of many APIs, and you have to create documentation for new features and implementation to track the bugs. Then here you can see the competitive candidate profile, means the qualification for this job role. So you must have a good knowledge of different testing techniques. Then you have a basic knowledge on Java or .NET programming. Then you have a basic knowledge of SQL queries, and you must have a good knowledge of automation tools like Selenium and Protector, and a good communication skills in verbal or written. Then the main part is if you are a fresher, then you can apply for this role. But if you are a BE or B.Tech students, you can apply for this job, otherwise not. Then the role is eligible for variable compensation, means if you good at your work, so your salary will be higher than expected. So then click on this apply now button. After clicking on this apply now button, there is a section that country of resident and language. You have to select the other option. Then yeah, you have to add your resume from your device. So let me tell you one thing. Then here you have to upload your resume as a JPEG file or PNG file, not as a PDF file or a doc file format. So after this, put your personal details here. Your email address, then your phone number, then select your country from the list. Let me tell you one important thing, that after you have completed your application, after this an email will be sent to your registered email ID with the information about how to check the status of your application. So then your city, your current location city, then your full address, then desired base salary. So let me put 3 LPA per annum. Are you a current Enverus employee? No, obviously no. Then how did you hear about this position? So let me put LinkedIn profile. Then if referred by an Enverus employee, please specify. No, not applicable. Then you if you then you have to click on this checkbox. After this, if you want to add your social profile, means your LinkedIn profile for this job role, you can attach your profile in addition to your resume from here. And then if you have a additional file or a cover letter, you can attach this file from here. After this, click on this button, send application. After this, you have to match something, buses. They want match something like buses, so 1 2 3 4 So wait for some time, and then so I have already applied previously, so that's why it is showing like that. At your end it will showing that the application was sent. So it is the full application process for this company. Thank you. So after this, coming to this position, which is Ingram company, hiring for the associate cyber security consultant in India. So the job location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and then you can see the whole job description here and the position summary. And they are also hiring for many job positions, like they are hiring for risk assurance position, they are hiring for governance hiring position, they are hiring for awareness and training position, they are hiring for offensive security position, and many more, like threat engineering, security project management, like that. There are some responsibilities for the job roles, and then you can see they are the main key responsibilities you must have for this job role. So after you got selected for this job role, you must do the work, like project deliverables, problem solving, the technology and trends. You must have a risk based decisioning and best practices of the programming or the coding, and you have a process development knowledge, and you must have work on the business equipment or security incident response, like that, many more. Then coming to this section, skills and experience for this job role. So you have a 0 to 2 years information security experience, then it is a added advantage for this job role. Otherwise you must have a strong communication, like verbal or written, anything. You have a if you have a presentation or teamwork knowledge, then it is a added advantage for this job role. And then you must have a deep understanding of a risk or business equipment or ROI. Then the job qualification or the educational requirements for this role. So you must have a bachelor's degree in computer science or cyber security, any of that. Then you have to pass a criminal background check and provide 3 current reference for this job role. Then you have to pass a proficiency exam related to this role. So let me tell you a important thing, that the lower apply now button is not working. So you have to go through the first apply button, the upper apply button. After clicking on the apply now button, it will take time. Be patient for this. So here is the main application form. Click on this I accept. Then attach your resume from the device. After this, be patient. After this, you have to put your personal details here. Then your country, select your country from the list. Then your postal code, your current postal code. Then your email ID. Then put your mobile number here. After this, click on this button, next. So sorry for this, I put 12 digits number. Oh, sorry. It will start from 91, and then put your phone number. After this, they want that your application is nearly complete. This page acknowledges your desire to submit. So yes, and then submit, and then you can see a right button comes here. So this is the full application process for this company Ingram. So if you like this channel, like and share, and if you are new to this my channel, so please subscribe my channel to get daily updates about new hirings or new opportunities for you. Thank you.